The Bottom of the World by Mary Ann Williams. It may be hard to believe that any part of today's Earth has gone unexplored. People have traveled to almost all of nature's mysterious places. However, the continent of Antarctica has held on to many of its secrets. One reason people have stayed away is the continent's harsh environment. A huge obstacle for explorers is the ice that surrounds the continent. Even during the summers, 95% of Antarctica is covered with ice. In addition to ice, it is surrounded by dangerous waters that are hard to navigate. This might explain why centuries went by before explorers, who traveled by ship, were able to reach the unknown continent. People must also overcome Antarctica's intense weather. During the winter, Antarctica remains dark and cold around the clock. The inner part of the continent is the coldest place on Earth, with temperatures below negative 126 degrees Fahrenheit. High winds blow almost continuously and blizzards are frequent. Blowing snow sometimes combines with low clouds to create whiteouts. During a whiteout, the sky and the ground blur together and people cannot tell which way is up. Despite all these obstacles, countries have now established permanent scientific stations where scientists live and work on the continent. Slowly, the last secrets of Antarctica are being revealed. Modern-day adventurer Jennifer Owings Dewey is one person trying to solve some of Antarctica's mysteries. She went to Antarctica for 4 months. During her trip, she kept a journal, a daily record of observations and events. Most people keep journals as a way to remember the details of their daily lives. November 12th. For millions of years, Antarctica, the 5th largest continent, has been in the grip of an ice age. It is the windiest, coldest, most forbidding region on Earth, and I'm heading straight for it. Goodbye, America, I whisper as the airplane heaves off the ground with a shuddering roar. See you later. November 24th, Palmer Station, Antarctica. Is 5.25 million square miles, it's larger than Europe, has no native human population, contains 2/3 of the planet's fresh water in the form of glaciers, receives less than 2 inches of snow or rain in a year. Precipitation at the South Pole is barely measurable. Has no land-based predators other than humans, has 100 million penguins in residence, is a world park, a continent devoted to science, a vast outdoor laboratory. Has freezing temperatures that keep anything from rotting, even old shacks built by early explorers. Has ice up to 3 miles thick, covering 98% of the land. In winter, the volume of ice doubles along the edge of the continent. Has bedrock that is depressed 2,000 to 3,000 feet by the weight of the ice. Has only one mammal, the Weddell seal, named for an early explorer that lives there all year long. Has only 2 flowering plants, Antarctica hairgrass, Deschampsia antarctica, and the Antarctic pearlwort, Columbathus subolitus. November 18th, Palmer Station. Dear T, Palmer Station is a group of insulated metal buildings housing 50 people comfortably. The station was built on Anvers Island. You don't know you're on an island because permanent ice fills the gap between Anvers and the mainland. We learned the rules the first night. No travel alone, except to climb the glacier behind Palmer, flagged with poles to show the safest way up. We sign out when leaving, giving a departure hour and an estimated time of return. We are given walkie-talkies and check with base every hour. If we're a half hour off schedule, someone comes looking unless the storm blows in. If it's too dangerous for anyone to come after us, we are expected to wait out the bad weather. The sunscreen they pass out is the only kind strong enough. We are ordered never to forget to use it. Tomorrow we learn about the Zodiacs, small rubber boots with outboard motors. I'm excited about what comes next, and sleepy. Much love, Mom.